it's an honor to be able to do this work and to share the knowledge with Filipino diaspora, but also making it accessible or trying to make it more accessible to the younger generation.
Paghahabi ng kusikus o whirlwind patterns ang laman ng isang workshop Biyernes sa Vancouver. Ang kusikus, isang paraan ng paghahabi mula Ilocos sa Pilipinas.
What I love most about the kusikus pattern is that in the Ilocos region, the people believe that the psychedelic design of the pattern confuses evil spirits. So it's a form of protection for the wearer.
Isang weaver mula Toronto si Carol Ann Apilado. Binuo niya ang Vancouver workshop sa tulong ng isang Create for the Community grant. Aniya ang 4 na weaving looms mula sa University of British Columbia Slow Fashion Research Cluster at Community Fabric sa Vancouver. 2022 raw nang madiskubre ni Apilado ang pagbuo ng kusikus pattern sa pamamagitan ng weaving o paghahabi.
In 2018, my papa told me that his mother, my lola, comes from a family of weavers in Bangar, La Union. And when I learned about that, it felt like something kind of clicked within me.
Sold out ang event para sa mga gustong matutong maghabi. Pero pwede pa rin daw bumisita sa workshop ang mga gustong matutong bumuo ng kusikus gamit ang papel.
So tonight at Versus Creative Lab, participants will get the opportunity to weave on table looms, weaving with thread, and they'll also be weaving with paper.
Sana raw sa pamamagitan ng workshop, may pagmamalaki ang kulturang Pilipino ng nakababatang henerasyon sa Canada.
It helped me feel more connected to our Filipino roots and also my ancestors.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.